Hello everyone. So today we will learn the if else statement in a Python. So let's start. If statement. The syntax of if statement in a Python is if condition double colon and we will mention the result of the body. Like example is x is equal to 5 if x is greater than 4 double colon. Don't forget to use double colon. If you are not using the double colon, then Python is throws the error. So please remember the double colon. After that we can type the whatever result we want, like print is in a print x is greater than 4. If only this condition is true, that time only give us the good result, otherwise it's execute the next levels. So going next, if else statement. The syntax of if else statement in a Python is if condition. After that we can check it is true, then only that block is showing the result, otherwise it's going in a else part. Again don't forget to mention the double colon for the else, after the else, and after that we can type the block of the code if condition is a false. So we will check in an example way. X is equals to 5 if x is greater than 6, then print x is greater than 6, otherwise else if in a print x is less than 6. This is the way to write if else statement. So we will learn the next if else statement. The syntax of if else statement in a Python is like if condition we will type one condition, after that we can type the result of that if that condition is true, otherwise we can go in a else if condition 2, there we can type whatever condition we want. After that it is true, then we will type the some good result, otherwise directly go in a else part, and else part we can type our result, like yeah this is not similar like that or something like that, we can type in a result. Example way we can learn x is equal to 5 if x is greater than 5, then print x is greater than 5. Else if x is equal to 5, it means double is equal to 5, then print x is equal to 5. Else if this statement is always executed, both conditions are not satisfied or not true, then it will be the come directly in a else part, then only they are printing this statement is always executed. We will look these things in a practical way, we can check in a coding so you can understand better. So next let's start the coding. So we can take here one variable is x is equals to 5, and we can use here if condition if x is greater than 4 colon, and we can print here print and type here like x is greater than 4. If this condition is true, then only print, otherwise it's going to the print like print hello, like this. So we can check using the Python main.py and check, yeah x is greater than 4, this condition is true. We can type here like 6, then condition is not true, directly print the hello only, that's why. So this is the if condition works. So we will check the if else condition. Like I will remove this one and I will type here else part and type here like print and take here x is less than 4. So here we can take a 4 again and we can check. We type here python main.py and check. Yeah, x is greater than 4. Suppose here we in a x part we can take a 3. Then what happened? Because 3 is not greater than 4, we know, but we can check with the python. So we can type here python main and check. Yeah, x is less than 4. They are showing us good result like using the if else condition. So in a next way we can check the if else if. So I will type here like if and we can give the here condition is like x is equals to 3. Okay, and we can take here like else part and type here print not match to anything. So that's why we are typing. First of all we can check here like x is greater than 4 or not. This condition will not satisfied, then they will check the this condition. If this condition is satisfied, then they are like x is same to 3, right? And this will be the print. Either this also not satisfied or not true, then directly go to the else part. So let's check python and yeah, x is same to 3. So we will change the value here to. Then what happened? Let's check. Yeah, not match because all conditions are not match. That's why they are giving us the else part, right? If we are taking here like 5, then they are give us the first result. Because of the first condition they are satisfied or they are true. That's why. Let's check. So x is greater than 4. That's the reason it will be showing this result. I think so you are understand the if else statements in a Python. So keep enjoying doing fun with the Python so we can make some good videos and we can learn together. So thank you so much.